Hey, also.
Where are the others?
Inside the supermarket, doing some groceries.
Are you not? Oh, very nice. Well, hello there, lovebirds. Let's go then.
You good at bowling?
Yeah. No, not really.
I'm also with them.
Father, unfortunately too.
Unfortunately, yeah.
But he has nice shoes on.
And now let the master fade it all.
Choosing carefully. You will try with the planet.
Smaller, a little bit lighter for better handling. So you can be more precise.
You also say the stuff.
Sorry? Who you think is gonna win? Okay.
Probably got me confident.
I'm gonna win. I'm just letting you feel like you would win, but
There's no chance I'm gonna win. Fair.
I never did. I think I know, but I only saw it on videos. So
You know, we call it balinchkanje, the things which you throw, and who is the closest wins.
yeah.
It's the same thing, basically. You have red and yellow stones. These stones are made in the same quarry in Scotland. All of them for the professional games, okay? I think we have 4 stones, if I'm correct. And first starts the yellow, then the reds, and so on. And who has the closest one in the house wins. Easy point, you know?
Okay.
If you have two closer, you get 2 points. You use the broom, and that's it. You have some lines there, but this will check there, you know, for more detailed information.
do we have to broom?
If you broom stronger, the stone goes longer or harder. It hits the other one. You can hit the other stones. So it's up to you. But the other team is not allowed to broom it. Just after it crosses one line, then they are allowed to do it. Okay? So it's basically, I don't know, I push yellow stone and I say, Anna, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, because I see it's too slow. You do it, and you hit the red one from Elmar and we win. The thing is, here it's not a professional field, so it's like bumpy a lot, so it's gonna be hard to play, but point is that we have fun.
He did it before. We're winning.
A lot of pressure.
What is the secret to curling?
Be Italian.